All right, it's time to feed little Oakley here with her dark sunglasses, his dark sunglasses. Yeah, that's pretty good, eh? Calves are like crack addicts when it comes to their bottle. They'll do anything for it. All right, you little sucker, huh? Oakley's a good little calf. He looks like a brown beef calf, but he's actually kind of Holstein brown Swiss, and he looks pretty good for a dairy. We'll hope he grows into something great and delicious. All right, so we finally got a hold of a 1-ton tow to feed here, and so we got her lifted up, and Sarah's just making sure the bag is all the way empty. We got that feeder right full, and then we'll be good for quite a while. These feeders are hard to come by, though. It took me a year to find one, and they don't come cheap, but they sure do make life easier. Before this, I was pail and feed every day, and that gets pretty old pretty quick, especially when you got 13 or 14 pigs here. They, they got to eat too yet, and they eat quite a bit. So, hi, dear. Holy cow! Couldn't farm without her. She's amazing. We just brought out some skim milk from the house for the pigs. It's always a good treat, but only 3 have discovered it so far. The rest are still all bedded down on the other side of the bales here. Oh no, they're all digging around in the trees. Huh? Pigsters? You guys are missing the boat. Oh well. They'll discover it when they discover it. Dog's having a good time on a Sunday afternoon. Pop likes everybody to know she's the boss, whether it's true or not. Isn't that right, Doodle?
Hey, don't bite me.
All right, we're down for morning milking. Daisy's not up here waiting for us, even though we're a touch late because it's a Sunday and we slept in a little. So I'm gonna call her and see if she'll come in. Now we'll see. I think. Oh no, that's a sheep. But you could maybe see through the fog if she got up and started coming. Well, we'll see. I'll let you know if it works. All right, I thought it wasn't going to work, but you can see just through the fog that dark shape that's slowly making its way over. That's Daisy coming up on her own. She's a pretty good cow like that. Give her a few calls and usually she'll come. Sometimes she'll burn you though. Then you gotta go get her. Yeah, she's got to make her way over and then she'll go through. It's tough to see unless I go down there, but there's a gap there and she'll come through. And then she'll walk through the corral system and come around the corner. Calling her works really well during the summer because she doesn't mind getting up and coming, but in the winter often she's got a nice warm spot and she's very hesitant to get out of that nice warm spot, and we are much more likely to have to go get her in the winter than in the summer, but still she's pretty good. There she rounds the corner as fast as she can. Actually, she's a slow and steady wins the race kind of cow. Just marches on up here, no problem. Isn't that right, Rain? Yeah. Come on, Daisy. All right, I better get and help Sarah. There's milking done for another morning. Daisy always likes to come outside and stand here and just kind of survey her kingdom. Everything the light touches I own, she says. Then she goes stomping off. Back for another long day of pushing the others around and making sure she gets the best of whatever's available. She's a great cow. All right, so this is Jet. We put him in here after he was born, just as a place to put him, but he's getting too big for this little cage. And so we're gonna move him in. He's gonna be bunk mates with Oakley here. And then hopefully this week we'll get both of them moved outside into a bigger area so they can run and jump and do all kinds of calf things. Oh, easy there, Jet. This is how to move a calf. Calf always thinks with its stomach.
Just like that. All right.
All right. Gotta squeeze out. There we go. Dark chocolate and light chocolate. We should throw a bale of straw in here. Yeah. And in here, he'll have access to the calf starter. And so he'll, he doesn't know if that's the early process of weaning. Although that's still 2 months away. Yeah, you're okay, huh? You're okay, you little bottle licker. Huh? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, look how good you are. My goodness, what a nice calf. My goodness, what a nice calf. So this is Daisy's calf, and this calf's father was actually the first calf, bottle calf, we ever had on the farm. He was a red Angus named Charlie. We raised him up, and we used him last year for Daisy, and then this year again for Daisy, plus a couple of heifers that we had, and then I sold him to the neighbor actually, or traded him actually for some pilings to put in, and so we can build a deck this year. But yeah, calves just love to suck things. Cute little suckers. You're a cute little sucker. Yeah. There's Oakley, not so sure about this new roommate, but they'll make the best of it, because nobody gets a choice. It's excited. I got a new friend, I got a new pen, got some new straw. Got some iced over water. What do you think, Oakley? I don't know what to think. I've never had a friend before. Jet says, me neither. Maybe we could be friends. Okay, Oakley says. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh, easy, Jet. Getting all fired up.
This is the first time he's really testing his legs.
Yeah. Oh. There's a dog checking him out. Yeah, this week we'll get him an outside pen with lots of room. Calves are great. All right, feeding them together. Oh, look at them go. They're such good drinkers. No fussing. Right on. Suck, suck, suck. Yep, they're fitting in really good together. Yeah, hopefully this week we'll get them moved outside so they got a little bit more room to run. And there you go. Quality calves. It's a race. Who's gonna finish first? Oakley or Jet? It's looking like Oakley. What? Jet'll fool you. Do you need me to hold one here?
I got it.
You got it? Okay. Tails wagging. So nice to see. Content. Happy to get their bellies filled. Well, I'm going to call it for Oakley. Oh, a little splash there. Yeah, Oakley wins, but Jet's not too far behind. Is he done?
I think he has another one. There we go.
All right, that's that. All right, don't suck on each other too much, you suckers. Yeah.